Do financial planners need business owner's insurance or a BOP policy, especially if the firm is virtual, working without a physical office address, or they work from home? I get this question a lot from financial planners who think that really all they need for liability insurance is E&O or professional liability insurance. But yes, a business owner's policy is important coverage, and I'm going to explain why in just a moment. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. In this video, I'm going to focus on why a business owner's policy is a good idea for financial planners. If I don't answer a question on your mind that brought you to this video, give me a call or drop me an email. My contact info is in the description box below. Let's start with what is a BOP or business owner's policy and what it does as briefly as I can. A BOP policy combines the property and liability coverages plus a lot of other extensions into one policy. For a financial planner, we're usually talking about covering the business personal property or contents of an office, which includes computers, furniture, and fixture. And if you own the building, then we're going to add that to this policy as well. Then we're going to add at least $1 million of business liability insurance. The policy then has a ton of automatic extensions and coverages that can be customized to meet your specific needs. The key coverage in my mind for financial planners is the business liability protection or general liability insurance. You may already have E&O or professional liability, and I did do a video about E&O that you can see here for financial planners. But you may be thinking, well, if I have E&O, why do I need general liability? And the answer is because E&O and general liability cover two different things. E&O insurance covers you for claims that allege a wrongful act, error, or omission in providing your professional services to others, such as bad advice. General liability, on the other hand, covers you for claims that allege a bodily injury or property damage, something like a slip and fall claim. Both policies contain exclusions for claims that are better covered by the other policy. In other words, the general liability policy excludes claims from professional errors, and the E&O policy excludes claims from bodily injury and property damage. Now, even if you work from home or virtually, you should have general liability protection for that remote chance that a claim for bodily injury or property damage arises, because while these claims don't happen often for financial planners, when they do happen, it's a big deal, like into the millions. So don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Also, if you lease office space or even have an event somewhere, you're likely going to need to show proof of general liability coverage to the landlord. So what's the best BOP policy for financial planners? That's a good question. The best BOP for financial planners is going to be one that's written with an A-rated insurance company that's customized to fit your needs. Too often, financial planners will go online and buy a policy there with little to no human interaction and find out that it's not a great policy the hard way. They have a claim and it's not covered because they didn't know what options they should buy or shouldn't buy. And that leads to the next question. How do you get a BOP policy for a financial planner? In my opinion, getting an online quote in 5 minutes from a direct provider where there's little to no human interaction is not the best way to go about getting business insurance for a financial planning firm. Think about it. Is that the way you'd want your customer to buy a product or service from you? Probably not. You'd want to make sure that the product you're selling is customized to fit the customer's needs. Same thing here. The best BOP policy is going to be purchased from a skilled insurance broker like the Coyle Group, who represents dozens of insurance companies that want to write policies for financial planners. Now, you're probably thinking, what does a BOP policy for a financial planner cost? The cost of a BOP policy is going to be based on a number of factors, and it includes things like where you're geographically located, the construction and protection of the building where you're located, your firm's revenues, the limits of coverage you purchase, and your claims history. Protecting your business is what we do here at the Coyle Group, and we help lots of financial planners with their business insurance needs, including E&O, crime, cyber, BOP, and more. We're the agency to help you get this done for you. Want to learn more and start getting the protection you need and the attention you deserve? Why not give me a call, drop me an email, or book a call on my calendar. All that info is in the description box below. If you have a question or an issue that I didn't address here, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Thanks.